That's right. I just picked this bad boy up off Marketplace. Great deal. Nice lady. She helped me load it in. It's got crazy documentation, original title, original owner's manual, bucket of parts, always welcome, battery, that's dead, air filter. Join me as I get this thing up and running. Let's get it to the house. She is the beast. Now, I don't know when this bike has been started last or anything, so sounds pretty good to me. This icon stuff is really just so incredible. All right, let's get the carburetor on the workbench. I'd rather redo this carb than put a Chinese one on it, so let's put it on the workbench and clean it up. Doesn't look horrible. I got my handy dandy spark tester. They included this. Okay, so I'm going to check the timing. Ooh. This is a simple test, which I've wired this up according to the manual. When I spin this, the light should go off when these points F and T line up with the timing mark. When I hit the timing, this light should go off. The light never goes off, which means these points inside of here need to be adjusted, which is what I'm about to do. All right, so now I'm going to check the distance with this feeler gauge in between my points. Okay, so I am seeing the light dim a little bit now when the points open, so that's good. All right, so I did a few tests. I verified that I have AC voltage when I kick it. The ignition works. The straighter is sending a signal. I verified that the coil works just by using a voltmeter. So the last thing, this little condenser. Nope. Now after some troubleshooting, it was not the condenser, it was not the coil, it was not the wiring. Nope. It was the points inside of here. I pulled the points off, sanded them down, reinstalled it, redid the gap, and now that's a spark. It's a sparky boy. Now I have to wait for my carb, but it's coming here tomorrow, so stay tuned.
The next day.
Amazon, God bless me. I got my fresh spark plug straight from China. Carb, brand new. I'm gonna get to installing this, and we might even start it today. Similar enough, other than this one having a choke on it. If anything, I could try to reuse this at some point, but I've got all the parts there. Time to get this installed. So this little cap for the needle here doesn't fit on the threads of the new carb, so now I have to find a way to make this work. I got the new carb installed. They bypassed the oil pump, so I guess I'll do the same for this test. And then I'm mixing this fuel for a pre-mix, so I'm getting these ratios down.
3,000 years later.
Well, we did it. Oh yeah. Time to do some tweaking, and then we'll have some more fun. Thanks for watching.
The next day.
Settle up, partner. I'll see y'all later.